Welcome friends, my name is Yuri. In this video I will show you what you need to do to make $4,800 per week, what you need as a trader to rise to that amount, and how to choose the best strategy which will help you to achieve it. Let's go. I want to show you my statistic of previous week. At this moment I hold the position. This is my account size. I have different accounts. It is a statistic of my previous week. I'm going to show you real examples how you can make 4,000 and how to be realistic. For a start, be honest, you need to have master trading system, because you will not be able to trade profitably if you don't have a step-by-step trading plan how to make money in trading. Example, few words I can show a little my personal trading plan, because it's better to say. If you didn't write everything about your trading system step by step, why you open a position, what rules you do, everything, which point you trade, which you don't trade, a few seconds it's downloading, and without it you will not be able to succeed and trading instruments, everything. ATR, what is ATR, time frames which you use, your working day, what you trade exactly, your patterns, example of your patterns. As a trader, you need to understand, you need to have such system. Only that system will focus you on stuff which you really need to find on the market, because sometimes I know it, sometimes as a trader you can looking for something on the market, but is there nothing to trade, you will pick wrong trades, and in the end it will be disease for your account, because you will not make money and you will only blow it. That's why it's the most important stuff. I recommend you to find a mentor, for someone who will help you to teach, will show you how to do everything step by step. And also, what else you need to make such money per week? You need to master system. It's first. Second, you need to have and know how to control your emotions, because just imagine your stop loss, like here, your average risk per position is 650 USD. It's something when something go wrong. Just imagine 2 stop losses in a row and you have minus 1,300 USD, and you need to be to have enough courage to trade something like that, and always you need to grow step by step. You will not be able to just open an account and trade normally with such account size. I recommend always to rise. For example, to start with risk per position 10 USD, after that 20, 30, 40, 50, because only when you will be able to trade properly with low risk, low amount of money, only in that case after that you will learn how to trade on bigger amounts, because it is not good to open huge account for a start. When you start trading, you will need with huge possibility you will blow out that account when you trade it. Above this you will find a link. I will show you example. When one trader wrote to me about help, and he blew out already 150 USD with really horrible mistakes. You can open that video, it will be in description, and learn that mistakes and not repeat it. Okay, we have proper system, we have emotions, and after that you need to trade according to your trading plan, even if sometimes will go wrong. Example of my trades when I traded. For example, when something can go wrong. As I spoke before, I trade key level strategy. When I have some key level, I open a position, and price already made false breakout here. As you see, price made false breakout. A few seconds, my dear friends. Price made false breakout. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Price made false breakout here, and after pullback I open sell position, and so sad price hit stop loss, but after that it hit my take profit. Sometimes such stuff happens and you need to survive it. Another example of my trade, US oil, price hit stop loss here, as you see. It's a mirror level from this side. Price made false breakout, but it didn't work. We have price bounced so many times from this level. Sometimes it will happen and you need to survive it. And also, as an example, British pound, as you see, price broke out this range. After pullback I opened buy, but here I made a mistake. I closed it manually, and after that eventually he take profit. That's the reason why you should use proper risk reward. Another stuff which you need to use in your trading, it is a risk reward ratio, because sometimes when you will do mistakes, your mistakes will cost money to you. Only when you will have proper risk reward, you can make mistakes and still be profitable. Because if you will check here, I have only 50% of profit entries, but still I have a decent profit. I can live for this money good for whole month. In my country, you can live 3 months pretty good for this money. Go ahead. And of course, examples on oil, other examples on oil. I want to show it to you. I open sell here and buy here. You need to understand why I allow to trade false breakout, because as you see here, price buy in this range, in this accumulation, and after that price made this false breakout and second false breakout. It was a second trap. After such second trap I open sell position because it's safe. And also here price made this false breakdown, and second wave I took that second wave. You need always to stick to your trading plan. Okay, friends, if we would summarize what you should do to trade profitably. First, you need to have trading system. You need to develop it by yourself, or you need to find a mentor who will help you to trade properly, who will help you to learn how to trade. And the most important part is a feedback, because I remember myself, when I repeat one mistake for a month, or some mistake I repeated few years. Second, it is emotions. You need to know how to control your emotions. Also, you need to have proper risk-reward ratio, and you need to stick to your trading plan. Only in that case you are able to make such money per month. And even if you don't have enough capital for a start, believe me, you will find an investor. You will find a guy who will invest in your trading when you will show results, good results on small amount. Friends, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.